welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I hope you hit your subscribe button and stick around. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Profusion's Sun-Kissed palette. I'm super excited about this palette. It has 35 shades in it. You guys have seen me review Profusion's palettes like this before because they've been coming out with a lot of these palettes. This just screamed fall to me, and although I have on a tank top, it is a fall color. It's green. It is so hot. The last 2 days it's been like in the 90s, and I'm like, is it fall or is it summer? We're having a summer fall, and I'm just so sad about that because I want to put on my cozy sweaters and my like scarves and film all these fall and Halloween videos for you guys, and I feel like I look like summer while I'm trying to wear fall makeup, and it feels like summer the minute we walk outside, and we can't turn off any of the fans or the air conditioner because it is just way too hot. So you guys, without further ado, if you want to see what kind of look I create with this palette and you want to hear my thoughts about this palette, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so I have the Profusion Sun-Kissed palette, and as you guys know, it comes with one of those sticky tabs with the name shades on it. And y'all know, if you've been here for a while, I'm not on it. So I'm just going to be pointing to you guys what shades I'm going to be using. I have my lids already primed. I used my Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Concealer, which I love. And we're just going to jump right into this. So the first shade that I'm going to go into is this dark green shade, and we're going to blend that into the crease. It is a bit powdery, just so you guys know. That tends to happen. Okay, as you can see upon initial application, it's not that pigmented, so it looks like it's going to be a shade I'm going to have to build up. Okay, so the shade does build up nicely. Now I'm going to go into the light green shade, and I'm going to dust that above the dark green. And then I'm going to go into this milk brown shade. I'm going to start dusting that directly into the crease, and I'm going to build that up. And now I'm going to go into this bright sunflower yellow. I'm going to dust that on the lid. Super simple. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face because I am reviewing a foundation. So I don't know if that or this look will go up first, but I will be right back. Alright you guys, we are back. I'm going to go back into the Sun-Kissed palette, and I'm going to dip into this beautiful green gold pressed glitter. And I'm just going to push that into my inner corner here. And I did put on a small wing, and I put my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy Liner right above that for like a double wing. I love this pressed glitter. It is so pretty. For my liner, I'm going to use the NYX Faux Blacks Liner. This is in Black Olive. Is too pretty. I love a nice smoky green liner. I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to go into the dark green, and we're just going going to take that underneath the liner on the lower lash line. Since we're just going all out with the glitter here, I'm going to put a little bit of Midnight Cowboy right down on the lower lash line. And I want to throw something in here real quick. I am going to do a full review on them though, but I did get another package, and this one is from Clarity Cosmetics. It is a small indie brand that I have been following for a while on Instagram. So I'm not going to show you guys all the shades. This is the packaging because like I said, I'm going to do a full review on them. But the shade that I am going to be using today is called Hiatus, and I just want a nice dark rich lip with this look. So that is why I am applying it, and plus I just really want to wear it and try it out, but I'm going to review it for you guys. I'm going to set my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. First off, this lip though. This lip. I cannot wait to review these Clarity Cosmetics matte lipsticks for you guys. That's all I can say. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, you guys already pretty much know that I love these Profusion palettes. I'm obsessed with them. They retail for $12.99 and you're getting 35 shades. They're very pigmented. I like that they've been doing pressed glitters. You have 3 pressed glitters in this palette, some mattes and some shimmers. I do think that I was able to create a very wearable yet simple, I mean, anybody could do this look. Very easy, fall, smoky, but you know, you get some color and it's fun. So I have to definitely give the palette 2 thumbs up, you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and your bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. I know some of you guys have been asking me, do I still upload videos? The answer is, of course. You just need to hit that bell notification and hit all, or you can personalize it because YouTube does not notify you unless you are active on that YouTuber's page. So if you're constantly on my page watching videos, you will constantly be notified when I upload. So just make sure your bell is turned on, you guys. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have said in a few of my other past videos that I'm not going to be doing like my 31 days of Halloween for October because it's just been crazy this year with moving and everything. So I didn't want to overwhelm myself. I am going to do some Halloween inspired looks, and then you guys will be getting, of course, fall glam because it's my favorite month. It's my favorite season. So as always, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.